too darn early for this. But Olive's my hype girl. It is currently 2 a.m. and we're about to go head out to Detroit. So come along with me. Thank you. What are you getting? Yeah, that one. Do you want to get some of this? Okay. This looks cute. Three-fourth ounce. There's
Take a pick you want.
There's bags at the end of the jig rack right there, guys.
Chicken the D. Mấy cái nữa.
Mấy ba cái each different colors.
Cái này 3 cái different colors. But each one mấy cái?
Mắt chọn đi được quá cái gì vậy? Nhưng mắt chọn. I'll give it to the guys and take it.
You have this point.
Big beat out right ones, and you got slime ones already, right?
Cái này có càng không? Wait, do you want 3/4 or only 1 ounce?
1 ounce.
Hơi windy luôn á, 1 ounce.
You said so windy.
Okay, đủ rồi.
How about this? Ooh.
Let me get bait real quick.
Okay. Ủa cái này một bao nhiêu mà mình đang hút nè? 1 đồng 25 cent. Alright.
Right, good. Why we just got surrounded like that?
I want to see your colors. Colors. Is this yours? Yeah.
Bro.
Nice. Oh, you send on your weight?
Hey, should we put the drinks and stuff in the cooler real quick?
I'll put the walleye sticker on the boat.
Oh man, good luck.
At least I got him.
Is this
Hey, V, throw this in the cooler real quick. Why y'all throw this in the cooler?
Just leave it there for now. I'm gonna have to move on. Just
surrounded by boats.
You know what I'm saying? Takes a lot of
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this.
What? Get the rich. I want to go warm up.
Dang, it's a cold morning.
All the way down there. Có bơm dầu không? Không, đâu rồi.
I'm on the Detroit Road. river. Hey! We haven't died yet. Here comes the buddy.
Huh? I mean, it's still straight. Is that right there?
Yeah, that's them. All good in the hood. Hoo-yah! Alright, where are we going?
What's up, Jacob?
Yeah! We're following you! Oh shit! Out here trying
Hey,
to
remember, no full throttle, bro.
Trời ơi, giống Nhật Viên
Bro,
á.
why the fuck? I know, bro.
Hey, I'm over here getting secondhand smoke.
We in Vietnam, bruh.
Damn, Emma! It's not even 5 minutes yet.
Oh, yeah.
Woohoo! Very nice.
I told you the walleye.
So you don't have. Ooh, good size, good size. Oh, it's at the right at the stinger too, babe.
The hook and this thing you got caught.
Yeah, let me see. Where's the pliers?
This is stuff. Go ahead, put the net down.
No, we gotta leave a little attention because we're about to pop up. Just the stinger.
Just a stinger?
Yeah, just the stinger.
Actually, where's the pliers? I don't want to get hooked.
Let me see.
What pliers?
Hold this up, yeah?
Hold it?
Yeah.
Wait, oh, careful.
There
Oh,
you
okay.
Fishes now. The hook is.
You got measured. I think it's 15.
Where's the measure? Shit, we don't have the measuring tape. Oh.
What the?
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, so that's one end, right?
One zone over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, đúng rồi. Okay. Into the well. Nice. So far, out of 4 people, we got 2 fish.
Mm-hmm. Hey, we gotta even out the boat.
I still.
Yeah, dữ luôn đi.
Cái đó 20 con rồi, 25 con rồi, sợ gì?
Captain.
Hey. He said SpongeBob.
Dude, stop a source, dog.
Damn. Look at the baby kisses. Alright, featuring today's haul alongside Emma's and Jacob's donation. We got, what, 7 white bass caught and then 3 walleyes. And then the rest is from the other team. We're happy just to get at least something.